Welcome back, guys. Back here, Grayson on the helm this time. And we're gonna do some zombie stuff. Well, he's gonna do zombie stuff, and I'll be talking about it, and he'll be like, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Shut up, Titus.
And every once in a while, you'll probably hear somebody yell or jump.
And that'll be my bird. My bird.
Okay.
My bird, my bird, my bird.
Okay. I'm trying to think.
Your heart is sporadic. You better get some pills for that.
I'm gonna use this just to heal and clear up space in the inventory. Because we're gonna go, or I'm gonna go. Actually, first, I'm gonna go down the hallway and check the other doors.
Oh shit, there's a whole new other area that I didn't know about.
Uh-huh.
Shit, and there's a window? Fuck.
Okay.
I just got the goosebumps.
It's locked. Emblem of armor. Okay, now if I'm not mistaken, this door... this door brings us back to that original... almost the original hallway. If I'm not mistaken. Which we don't have to go through yet, so I'm not going to go there.
That window. Those windows.
The windows are creepy in this game. They did a really good job of creating a creepy atmosphere.
Birds and zombies go
Locked.
through halls.
Helmet, okay.
Scaring bitches all.
Okay.
Ah, shoot, 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 shoot.
Oh. Okay, so this one is going to take us back to that other hallway. Which I want to go and potentially clear out the couple zombies that are in there. Okay, now prepare yourself.
Oh no, there's a red one in here.
There is a red one in here. We don't know if he's going to jump up yet, though. So just don't be alarmed.
I'll be alarmed. I'm already alarmed.
So just be prepared that he could jump up. Now there's going to be one right here. Right there.
There it goes. Oh.
I'm going to run past you. I got lucky there. Okay, so now I'm going to wait till this son of a bitch gets closer.
There
Okay,
we
he ain't
go.
coming back. I know there's one over here. Now we'll grab this ammo. Yes, grab it, thank you. Okay, apparently there's only one.
You lied to me.
There's normally another one in there. Okay, and map. No, map. Oh, sir. I'm just gonna try these doors. It's locked from the other side. Okay.
That one that goes to the main hallway dining room.
You unlock. Okay, that'll be a good shortcut, kind
Will. Smackdown.
of. And that way we don't have to go potentially deal with that crimson head. And I'll deal with this gentleman. Right now. Wherever he is.
Maybe you should save your shotgun shells considering you got dogs. Or not.
It's like you have to wait for just the right moment. Okay. Now I gotta think of which way it was.
Which way what?
To get to the one area that I'm thinking of.
The one area that you're thinking of. Well, let us know what area you're thinking of, because we do not know your
The
thoughts.
one area, not the terrace one in the bottom left, where the dog, where we need to call the dog, but the one on the right there.
Oh, the
one
corner,
outside
the
where
weird
the dogs
corner
can,
one.
the ones where the dogs can jump.
The corner one.
Yeah, where the dogs can jump over.
Yes,
the
the
fence.
corner one. Yeah, well, the dogs can jump over the fence. Yes, the corner one.
I'm gonna warn you ahead of time. We're gonna go through that one hallway where
no.
where the dogs might come through the window.
Oh no.
It's okay.
And you only have 3 shotties. 3.
What I'm gonna try to do is I'm hopefully gonna try to run through there so I don't have to use
last
the shotgun.
time it was horrible.
I mean, as long as I face them when they attack me, I can get away without taking damage with the defense knives. Or the defensive weapons. Or the daggers, whatever they're called.
The defensive daggers.
Defensive
The
items.
daggers of defense. The double D.
So- Just be prepared, they might jump through the window.
I guess here we go. They cracked last time.
Yes, they did.
Damn it, you're gonna screw yourself.
Yeah, most likely. And it's usually that one.
Oh gosh.
Oh.
You suck. I hate you. It's when you come back through. I know it.
Okay.
It's gonna get me. Or it will get me when I'm unprepared.
It'll probably get both of us when it happens. Okay, so...
Oh look, it's that spot. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, you didn't go through the door that I went up there and said, oh,
I
it's the door.
did go through the door, but I didn't...
Well, I mean, like, the one that I thought was not this place, but it was the other place.
Yeah, I hear you, dogs.
Oh gosh, here they come.
They
come.
They're fine.
Hey! Hey! Oh look, it's Cantini's! Canteen oils! That's nice. Woo!
Come on, get off.
Poop.
No, I'm fine.
Oh, you didn't bring your canteen, you suck.
It's fine.
It's not fine.
The dogs won't come back. I'm doing this so that
Just in case.
we can get a good stash of herbs in general.
Hey, why isn't that dog jumping over the fence?
Well, they usually go around the corner back to where the door is.
Oh yeah,
Usually.
you need that little food stuff right there.
The fertile or weed killer.
Yeah.
So,
I don't remember what for, but I remember you need it.
Yeah. You need it for a certain part.
Doggy didn't do shit. He just sat there. He's gonna jump through the window.
Let's see if we go back that way. Which I'm not going to.
Because of that reason.
Yeah, I kind of don't want to waste the ammo.
Mm.
Okay, so back through there. Is there a freaking...
No, there's not a frickin'.
Okay, so...
There's been zero frickin' in this
I
game.
wish there was a button you could just press where the darn map would just come up.
The darn map.
The darn map.
Yeah, me too. That would be fantastic.
Okay.
Why didn't you guys do that, you flippin' flippity? Because they made it a remastered. That's why.
That's why.
They're just like...
Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do.
You know what you're gonna do.
I think I know what I'm gonna do.
I don't know what you're gonna do. Enlighten us.
I want to go back, get the canteen.
Burn some bitches.
And I kind of want to take care of the one crimson head.
Which one is that?
The one that's lying down that
Oh
one.
gosh, there's a freaking
room.
windows that something does jump out of at one point.
At one point.
I
Not
think
yet.
dogs jump out of those too.
Possibly.
Oh no. So you can't outrun the dogs. There's gonna be dogs no matter what.
Eventually, yeah.
Oh, poop.
Poop is right.
Poop and rice.
Why don't we just shit?
Because poop. That's why.
Well,
Because some people aren't as
Shit.
mature as you are.
well, that's their problem. Not mine. Okay. I know there's a zombie in that hallway. Usually there is. But I should probably stop assuming that because when I played it, I was playing on normal. And I haven't played this remastered version. So most likely the things are slightly different since we're playing on a easy or very easy difficulty compared to normal. Okay, so we're going to we're gonna put
One of those in there.
the way we're gonna do this is we're gonna do this.
Oh,
Switch
yeah.
that with that. Switch that with. Actually, I don't need to do that.
Can't you combine the shells with the gun of the shotting?
Not in this. Not when you're in the box for some reason.
Put you in the box.
No.
Tarnation.
That. Combine that.
Combine that. That. Not gonna finish that.
That ass.
What? You said it.
Yes, I did. I'm not ashamed of it. Let's see, did it? Okay, so there's enough. Okay, that's fine. I can deal with that's one use.
It better be fine. For my sake.
So we'll put this with that.
And then you'll put this with that.
And we'll
That
there.
with this. Because you think 15 bullets is plenty.
Well, considering I have 6 shotgun shells, yes.
Yes, but you only have 8. Which means you need to conserve the hell out of those.
This is very true.
But if you think you can shoot off everyone's head and whatnot, then by all means, go for it. Man, Scion.
Okay, so go up this way. And just in case for some reason, in general, in case we have to deal with anybody, which we may have to.
Oh, man. Yeah, you open that door. You open it good.
I just noticed she has boob physics.
Gosh.
I'm sorry, I just noticed it.
I already noticed it, but still.
Yeah, that's terrible. Okay.
You just like, I'm gonna blur it out.
Hey, I'm just noticing because, and I'm just saying it because I noticed.
They added that into the game.
I'm pretty sure they did.
They're like, everybody likes boob jiggle. Not
It's locked. Okay, armor.
It's like Markiplier says. He would play, if he had boobs, he would play with them all day.
Who?
Markiplier.
Sorry, Markiplier, if you ever watch this.
I'm sorry.
But I'm sure you probably wouldn't be mad at us for saying that, because you probably would agree.
You would own it.
I'm pretty sure you would. Okay, down.
And around.
And around down.
Bring it around town. Did it just freeze?
No, it didn't.
Scared me.
Um,
She just paused on the stairs just perfectly.
just perfectly. Actually, I will do the... I'll
You do the worm.
I'll do the...
You'll do the sprinkler.
I'll take care of the Crimson Head
You
first.
do the shake and bake.
Shake and bake. I'll take care of the Crimson Head first.
Better take care of that crimson.
That way, just in general, we don't accidentally forget about him later. Which I don't know how we would be able to forget about him.
You know, I think you would have been better going not this the other way. You know what you're doing. I'm gonna let you handle it. Open the door, damn it. Don't you know how to open the door? Watch out, there's a guy on the right. There's a guy on the right. There's a guy on the right. Watch out.
Yeah, shut it.
That window's open. What the hell?
Yeah, it is open.
And why does that guy never come back? I don't understand that.
I don't know.
He's just like, oh, I'm dead. I'm black.
He's actually not black.
Oh.
I don't... Oh, that's the stupid crows. With your fucking...
Scared the shit out of me. That sound?
Yeah, it's very creepy.
He left the window open.
Okay,
Here
so...
we go. Wait for it. Wait for it.
I hope he just doesn't jump up right away, because if he jumps up right away, we'd be upset. Okay, we're just going to use it right here. Right.
Holy shoot! Oh!
Oh shit.
Oh, we're dead. 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 Oh, you're dead. And shit. You. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Well shit.
Okay, he's dead. Just to be safe, I'm gonna burn the body because I don't know if the Crimson Heads will necessarily come back. Just to be safe.
That asshole.
Yeah, I had a feeling that was gonna happen, honestly, but I wasn't sure if it was going to happen.
I was gonna get even more mad if it used the canteen. Oh my goodness. Calm down, Titus. Take a deep breath. Burp out a little. That's gross. Excuse me.
So now, when we come back, his body won't be here. He'll be gone forever.
Forever and all of eternity. Except for those bugs. Those bugs will always be there.
We can actually shoot him, but
And one day they will come out and break out in a frenzy. And that window does not
come
look
on. Get through the damn door.
alright. Now you get through the damn door, dude.
Dude.
Why don't you get back to the kitchen, damn it? Talking to you. Not her.
Okay, should I deal with the guy down the hall? Yes? No?
No.
No?
He just sits there. He's a loner.
Until he turns into a Crimson Head.
He does?
I'm pretty sure he does.
Maybe you should go back and deal with him.
That just make you suddenly nervous?
Maybe.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe he just sits there even when he turns.
Because he's there. Just
He doesn't have any hair though. How can he be a Crimson Head?
He can still come back though. All the zombies can have potential to come back.
Stupid. Whose idea was that?
Oh, he just didn't care. You just
It's dead now.
dead now. That's for sure. Okay, so
You just wasted 2 shotgun shells on that
walk
bitch.
on the other side. That's fine. 2 shotgun shells are fine for me.
It's not okay.
Would you rather waste 3 and have to burn him, or 2 and not have to burn him?
Good point.
I'm just gonna check this door.
You used the sword key.
Discard it, yes. Okay, good. So now I'm not gonna go through that door because we don't need to go down there just yet. I'm gonna run back.
Pop a cap into a bitch.
I'm gonna try to get in
You didn't give me my makeup, motherfucker.
the. I'm gonna try to get the. Try to do the terrace part before this episode ends, so that we won't have to deal with that later.
This was supposed to be a nice vacation. You guys ruined it for me.
Okay, so the terrace.
Just sent out some buddies to scout out the place. Look how nice it was. And you done fucked up. So everyone in here gonna pay now. Everyone gonna pay. That's what Jill's thinking. Just kidding.
Yeah, she probably is, honestly.
Uh-huh.
So I think we have to go that way, through that door. Yeah. Come on, there we go. Excuse me.
Dude, you stink. Just kidding. Oh yeah, you killed that dude.
I did. Killed that zombie.
You're really quiet.
Yep.
Now, where are you going? We're gone.
I'm remembering which door it is. It's that door.
You go through a door and then through another door.
This door.
And then you have to go through 3 other doors, including the 5 other doors of the 4. What?
We're okay though.
That scared the shit out of me.
That actually.
I was like, what is
It
that?
actually slightly made me jump. Use
I
the
didn't
lock.
recognize that sound. I was like, what is making that sound?
Slightly made me jump as well.
Good job. You changed the sound and it works now. You suck.
Okay, so I'm gonna go this way so I can get a better camera angle. So that when the dogs come running, I can actually see them. Or I can see them ahead of time.
only one dog?
Nah, I think there's like 2.
Was that a zombie dog or was that regular dog?
That is
It seems like a holy movie. Holy movie.
She can curve bullets. She's amazing.
It's Deus Ex in the past.
Okay, alright.
And with different circumstances and stuff.
Grab that. Examine it.
Is that Deus Ex that does that or is that Syndicate?
There's actually.
No, there's a game that has curved bullets in it. I don't remember what it's called.
It might be Syndicate because I don't know about Deus Ex. But I know there is a movie where they can curve bullets. It's called Wanted with nothing unusual. Are you sure about that?
Oh my gosh, it's a secret key. Who would have thought? Looks like teeth.
Back. And we'll go get that key.
What is a zombie dog? Oh, that one wasn't it?
We'll go get that key and then go save it. And then that'll be the end of the episode.
Oh, look, it's Herbies. Growing right out of the little thingamajig.
I'm actually going to take a... you can get like a few use. I'm going to use one. Since we're kind of at caution. Probably don't need this whistle anymore. Discard it? Yes.
Yeah. Toss it. I don't want dogs anymore.
I don't want a pet anymore. Okay.
I don't want any dogs here. Screw that.
Okay, actually, we can kind of do a shortcut.
Or you could just like go out there, throw it, shut the door. Make sure there's no windows in that area.
Just to be safe.
I don't think that would work. I mean,
No,
in this
not
game
really.
anyway. I mean, you know.
Okay.
But you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. I got you.
Yeah, I mean.
I got you. Sorry. We'll act normal now. Okay. So now...
Good luck with that.
Not this... Well, as normal as we normally are. Other way. But I can...
No, I can be a lot weirder. I
Yeah,
guess
we all
technically-
can be weird.
No, I mean like on a normal basis. Usually I'm more weird than this.
Yeah.
No, it's like I'm hopped up on sugar or something.
Yes, I know.
Sugar babies. Sugar baby.
Okay, we'll go this way.
And then I got messed up teeth. Get an English accent. Oh, behave.
No, let's not. let's not go down that road. As far as the bad teeth and English accent.
Oh no.
No offense to
Bad
English
teeth.
people.
Whoever takes this will be dead.
Mm-hmm.
Little do they know, I have a thing up my sleeve. Because I have to wait for these walls. Oh, there's a thing coming at me. I can't do anything until it shows me again. Whatever will I do?
Do-do-do-do.
Du-du-du-du.
Okay, so now I have the armor key, which I don't think I can go through this one. I think
Oh,
this
that's an armor key? I thought you like had to get something through those like weird plates on the wall.
examine. Or not combine, examine, please.
You want to combine that key with that key, and it will become one, and you'll have the key to all the keys, always in the house.
It's locked. Yeah, I figured that was the helmet.
And then the key says there can only be one.
Okay, so now...
La 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 la.
La 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 la.
We're gonna sing a song.
Oh, I don't think so. I can't sing. Not in my opinion, anyways.
He's a beautiful singer. Don't be so modest.
I've never really cared for my singing, anyways.
I was kidding.
I'm just saying in general. I always think I'm tone deaf.
I'm just letting the audience know.
Okay, so there should be this way. If I'm going the right direction.
You've lost all sense of direction.
Kinda. this door.
Fail.
No, it's okay. This door, that door.
This door and that door. And that door and this door becomes that door. What the hell? Oh. Oh. You're gonna have some dog company.
We just don't have to open that door.
I think you're gonna have dog company.
If they burst the door open, I'll just shoot them. That's fine. Oh, it's a zombie, okay.
Is it a redhead?
No, because he'd be running.
Straight up poop out. I have to deal with another damn zombie. I thought that was a dog. Stupid. Do you want to try?
I'll risk it. Because we can go downstairs if we need to.
Oh crap.
Well, there's also a chance I could do it with the pistol. If he's still alive.
There is?
Yeah.
Really? Can't tell if there's blood.
I need to equip it. Thank you. Nah, he dead. Crap.
Yeah, I see the blood.
Ah, lovely. Oh well.
They just want you to deal with Crimson-y.
Yeah, apparently.
Oh my gosh. Crimson reminded me of something. Hellsing abridged. The Crimson Fucker. Tweet me at Crimson Fucker.
That's actually a pretty funny series. I haven't seen the whole thing, but it's pretty funny. You can save your progress. Yes, let's save. So we don't have to go through that ordeal anymore. Or again.
Alright. This is where we end. And here. We'll see you guys next time.
And next time will be Titus's turn.